Good morning. So Halloween is right around the corner and I am only just starting to think of what I want to be for Halloween. Me and my husband are gonna go on my birthday, which is October 30th. We're gonna go into the city and we want to dress up and it's gonna be great, but we have no costumes. And so my plan is to go to the thrift store and see what I can find. Right now I'm thinking of 2 characters from Moomin because I feel like those are things that I can find at the thrift store. So those are like my top 2 picks now. I'm also thinking about like some Ghibli characters or something like that. But it's pretty much gonna be improv because I don't know. It just depends what the thrift stores have. I really don't have much time. It's gonna be a bit of a time crunch, but I love a good challenge. So yeah, today after work, I'm gonna go to the thrift store. I'm gonna take you with me. I don't know if I'm gonna film much. I wanna take you with me on this journey to see if this is actually possible. We will see. I'm back. This took me like all day. It's like nighttime. I went to 2 different places. I also bought this, by the way, at one of the places. This is nothing to do with Halloween, but it's just so pretty and soft, and it was like 500 yen. I love thrift shopping. But let me show you what I got. I went to 2 thrift shops. They're a chain, but I went to 2 different branches. I forgot the name of the place. I'll put it somewhere up on the screen. First thing I found at the first place I went to was pretty much exactly what I needed for my costume. Found this long red coat. It was only about 1,500 yen, so it's like super cheap, and this is like high quality. Like, it's so beautiful. It is from this brand. If you're interested. The only thing that is not good about it is the gold buttons, but I can just replace those. And also it's got shoulder pads. I think for this costume it's gonna be better without the shoulder pads because I want to have like that triangle shape where like it flares out. So I'm gonna cut those out and hopefully it's gonna fit me. That was great. And then I searched the whole store for stuff for my husband. For him I needed like a lot more stuff, and so I had to go to the second place, which was like really far away because it was like on my bicycle. That's why it took me all day. I'm exhausted, by the way. The most important thing that I needed to find was a jacket or like, you know, like a long coat. I couldn't find anything in the men's section, but I found something in the girls section that like just about fits him. This really long coat, and it's like the perfect color. It's the perfect length as well. It's actually really nice too. Like, I put it on and I'm like in love with it. Like, I'm gonna be wearing this. It's so pretty. This was also like 1,500 yen, so like such a steal. I quickly went into Daiso, the 100 yen store, to see if I could get like some accessories. I found some stuff. This is just some yellow felt that I'm gonna use for the scarf. And then for my bow, I wanted something that was like a little bit like poofy. So I bought this fluffy towel because I thought the color was really nice. And then the thing I was the most scared of was the hat. Snuffkin's hat is something that like I was kind of hoping I would find something that was like similar enough, but no luck there. What I'm thinking of doing now is getting a hat that I already own and like putting fabric on top of it. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I did buy something. I bought this pillow and I'm just gonna like take the fabric of this and see if I can make something with this. I've only realized now though that this might not be enough fabric for the hat, so I might have to go back. It's a start. It's something. Tomorrow's Sunday, so I have some time to work on it, and then whatever I don't find, I'm gonna buy on Monday, and then on Tuesday is the big day. So wish me luck. Hello, welcome to my crafting station. Today I gotta be making the rest of the costumes. So let's start off with Snuffkin's scarf. So this should be fairly easy. You can fold this in 3. I think that's even enough. That's one part of the scarf done. Cool, 3 even, kind of even pieces of scarf. I really just want to glue gun this together, but maybe I should sew it. It's already getting dark outside, and I'm still going. I could probably leave it like this. It's probably long enough. Also, I just don't want to sew anymore. I think this is probably good. Scarf complete. Oh my god. Next, let's make the bow. How am I gonna do this? I'm completely improvising here, by the way. I think I'll cut off like a thin strip that can go around my neck, and then I'll attach the bow to it. Yeah, okay. So now I have this. If I bunch this up, you know, like on the sides, it kind of looks like a bow. Yeah. That's pretty accurate, I'd say. Okay, hopefully this works. I'm just gonna sew through this to make it a bow. I did this. Okay. I'm exhausted already. I got my 2 flappy thingies, and I got my thingy, and now I just need to attach. This thing is like really thick, and I don't think my tiny needle is going to go through this. Oh Jesus. You know what? I think I need to glue this. Wait, no! Oh god. I think wait. I did it wrong. Wait, can I just... I'm sorry. No worries, I got this. That's better. Now they're even. Wait, no, they're not even. Wait. I might be messing it up completely. And then to kind of make it neater in the middle, I want to wrap. Let's just try it on, shall we? It would be something like this. It looks... it's a little on the big side. And then the last thing I'll do is quickly like hem the sides, kind of, with a glue gun. See? Nice clean line. Okay, I think I got it. I think I have a decent bow. I am tired. I always underestimate how long it takes to craft something. Okay, I've got the scarf, I've got the bow. Now I need the hat. How am I gonna turn this into a hat? I don't know. Okay, it's time to take out these shoulder pads. So this is the pad. No, the other side. Got it. And now all I need to do is sew this back up. Here we go again with the sewing. Cool. This is now finished. It looks so much better already. Look how it's not boxy anymore. Now I'm gonna go out and meet my friend and do some shopping and hopefully find the last pieces I need so that tonight I can just put everything together. Fingers crossed. Hello people, we are back. He's back too. I want to start off with the most exciting part, which is the coat. I didn't find any red buttons, but I did find red spray paint. I've never done this before, so like, I don't know if this is gonna work. Also, this is from the 100 yen store, so, you know, quality. Maybe I shouldn't do this inside. This is gonna need more than one coat, I can already tell. For a first coat, that's done. And then we can move on to the second thing, the hat. This is what I've bought. It's a little small even on my head, so I think I'm gonna like cut cut it open a little bit so it'll fit more comfortably. And then I've got green fabrics in the form of cloth and a t-shirt. I'm starting to think I should just cut this whole thing off and see if I can cut like a pattern. I'm gonna check online for patterns. Yes, we're gonna plan this out. Let me look for some patterns. Okay, I might know what to do. I love cutting into things like this. I got my triangle and we are just very quickly gonna do this because I am done with sewing. I did it! Yeah, baby, it's a hat. I'm gonna cut this out. Let me check the pattern again. Cool. I think I'm gonna start by gluing this down. Now I've got this. Now all I need to do is cut a hole in the center. I think I'm gonna eyeball it. Cool. This is actually turning out to be not a disaster. I am very surprised. I finished the hat!
I'm back too, people.
Yes. It's a little bit flat on top, I guess, but...
Should I just put like a stick on? Like a stick?
Or just put some socks in it? Hold on, we're gonna change. I love how you're still not wearing pants. Okay, guys, it's the day of the day. It's my birthday. I feel like it's gonna be quite hot today.
Yay!
I think really good.
It's so good. You're gonna go to karaoke and fancy dinner. I mean, fancy lunch at a fancy hotel. Let's count down.
Bye bye.
Let's count down. Yeah!
This is amazing. Yeah, you belong here. This place is so fancy. Looking good, babe.
Ulrike tries to be very fancy, but kind of afraid. Sup?